How to change the rear indicator light bulb on a Peugeot 307. Open the boot. The bulbs are hidden behind this carpet here. Now the best way to lift this off is by removing this sill here. It's just on 2 pins. One here and one on the other side. Right here. You can do it without removing this, but it's a lot easier if you do. Just use your fingernail to lift out the rivet and the pin. Do the same for the other side. Just pull out this divider here. Now the carpet can be pushed back easily, revealing the back of the cluster. Now to get the bulb holder removed, push up this tab here, and there's one at the top, you can see right here. Push that one down, and that will release the whole unit. Right, now squeeze those 2 tabs together, one on the top, one on the bottom. Ease it backwards. Just watch it doesn't snag at this bottom corner here. And there's the bulbs. The indicator bulb here is in the middle. All you need to do is push in, turn counterclockwise, and release. Bayonet bulb. New bulb. Put the grooves in here in the bayonets. Push in clockwise. The last thing you need to do is refit the clusters carefully, not to damage any bulbs. Put the carpet back, and you're done.